Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to install AWS CLI in your local system. Uh, for example, if you want to access your AWS console from your local system through the command prompt, if you have to install the AWS CLI. See right now, I'm going to type this command. So it will not work. Uh, it says AWS is not recognized as an internal or external command. So after installing this AWS CLI, let's see how it's work. Okay, so for that you have to download the AWS CLI installer file. So this is the link. You can download it from here as per your operating system. So my operating system is Windows 64-bit. So I have downloaded this file. Okay, so now I'm going to run this file. Next, accept the license agreement and install. So now the installation is completed. Let's see how the command is working. So before that, we can check the AWS version also. So let's open a new command prompt. See now the AWS CLI has been installed. So after that, we need to configure. So once you enter this AWS configure command, you need to enter your AWS access key ID and the secret key ID. Okay, let me enter my access key ID and secret key ID. So for example, once you enter the AWS configure command, you have to enter your access key ID and secret access key. Then it will ask your default region name. So My region name is AP South 1. Okay, so I have entered this region name. After that, you have to enter the default output format. So I have entered the output format is table. So then enter. Now let's we run the command AWS S3 LS. So that means I'm going to list my bucket S3 bucket. Okay. So this is the output. Uh, this is my AWS management console. From here, I'm going. This is my S3 bucket. Okay. As of now, my S3 bucket having only one uh, bucket may test 0. Okay. So if I want to go, let me open a new command prompt. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So right now, so inside this, I have one folder docs and one image file also. So I just want to list those files. So what I can do uh, is AWS S3LS and the bucket name. Okay. 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 If you want to see the files inside the docs folder, so you have to enter the same commands. Okay. So this is the way to install the AWS CLI in your local system, and you can access your AWS console through the CLI. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.